Hi! In this video, we will look at the following main character. In the last episode, we looked at this character, which means show. In this episode, we will look at a variation of this character when it is written with other characters. As a reminder, this is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of an altar. Next to the altar, we will add some lightning. The character on the right is depicting lightning that spreads. Lightning was considered a sign from the gods and was feared. This character means God. It also refers to other supernatural things and spirits. It is used in this word, 精神, which means mind. Here's the next character. The character on the right actually doesn't have a specific meaning and can be interpreted based on context. In this case, it provides the character with its pronunciation. It is used in these words, 礼物, which means gift or present, and 礼堂, which means auditorium. Let's see the next character. Now let's add a character that means soil. In the agricultural society, soil was considered sacred because it made everything grow. This character describes people gathered in front of an altar to worship the god of land. Because it describes a group of people gathered for a unified purpose, this character came to mean society. It is used in this word, 社会, which means society. Let's look at another character. Now let's add a character that depicts a bottle of liquor. In the agricultural society, wine was a must-have on any altar. That was because the foam on a fermented wine symbolizes a field rich with grain. To offer alcohol to the gods guaranteed a blessing. This character means blessing. It is used in this word, 幸福, which means happiness or blessed. Here's the last character. The character on the right depicts a cutting board with layers of meat. When offering to an ancestor, there would be a cutting board with a stack of meat in front of the altar. This character means ancestor. It is used in this word, 祖国, which means mother country or homeland. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters, and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.